Classic Latte. A classic latte consists of 1 or 2 shots of espresso combined with a larger amount of steamed milk and a thin layer of foam on top. The high milk ratio makes it smooth and creamy, softening the espresso's intensity. It's one of the most popular espresso drinks worldwide, often the go-to for those who prefer a milder coffee taste with plenty of milk texture. Vanilla latte. A vanilla latte adds vanilla syrup or extract to the classic latte base of espresso and steamed milk. The sweet, subtle vanilla flavor blends smoothly with the coffee and milk, creating a comforting and balanced drink. It's become a staple in many cafes due to its approachable sweetness. Caramel latte. This version mixes espresso with steamed milk and caramel syrup, sometimes topped with a drizzle of caramel. The rich, buttery caramel adds depth and sweetness that complements the espresso without overwhelming it. Popular for its indulgent yet familiar taste. Hazelnut latte. A hazelnut latte incorporates hazelnut syrup into the espresso and steamed milk combination. The nutty, toasty flavor pairs well with the coffee's bitterness, resulting in a warm and rounded drink. It draws from traditional nut-flavored coffees enjoyed in European cafes. Mocha latte, also known simply as a mocha, this blends espresso with steamed milk and chocolate syrup or cocoa. The chocolate creates a dessert-like quality while keeping the coffee prominent. It originated as a way to make coffee more appealing to those who enjoy sweeter beverages. Iced latte. An iced latte uses espresso poured over ice, then mixed with cold milk, often with a light foam or none at all. The cold preparation keeps the flavors clean and refreshing, making it ideal for warmer weather. It's essentially the chilled version of the classic latte, flat white. Though sometimes grouped separately, a flat white is a latte variation, with a double shot of espresso and steamed milk featuring microfoam rather than thick foam. Originating in Australia or New Zealand, it offers a stronger coffee taste with a velvety texture due to the integrated milk. Pumpkin spice latte. A seasonal pumpkin spice latte combines espresso, steamed milk, and a blend of pumpkin puree with spices like cinnamon, nutmeg, and clove. The warm spices add an autumnal note, making it a limited-time favorite in many places. The sweetness comes from added syrup or sugar. Matcha latte. A matcha latte uses whisked matcha green tea powder mixed with steamed milk instead of espresso. It provides a grassy, slightly bitter tea flavor balanced by the milk's creaminess. Popular as a caffeine alternative with its own vibrant color and smooth finish. Turmeric latte, also called golden milk latte. This warms steamed milk with turmeric, often ginger, black pepper, and a touch of sweetener, sometimes without coffee. The earthy turmeric gives it a golden hue and anti-inflammatory reputation. It's enjoyed for both flavor and wellness benefits.